Hey guys, it's Brian. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's doing well. As you guys know, I got the new 2020 Road Glide Limited, and I've been doing some mods on it. And when we first knew we were going to get the bike and get the Boom GTS system, I went ahead and ordered this. I ordered this myself. This is not a paid review or anything like that. This is the CarPlay to Air wireless adapter to give you CarPlay on your motorcycle without having to plug it in. This also works on a list of vehicles. I want to say when I looked it was like 200, 300 vehicles. It's crazy. I believe it works on Indian and Honda. Also works on all modern cars that have CarPlay. It's pretty slick. When I got it, I want to say it was about $100. It recently went down to like $80 on sale, but it's pretty cool. One of the things that I didn't like with the CarPlay system so far with ours is that when you plug it in, sometimes you kind of have to plug it in again, or maybe the sequence wasn't right. It didn't pick that the mics are connected for the headset. So it gets to be a little bit problematic. Not huge, but just enough to be annoying. So this product solves that. So what this is, I'll open this up here. This is a wireless dongle that you're installing on your laptop. This is a wireless dongle that you're going to install in the port of your Boom GTS system. And you're going to set it up and it's going to give you Apple CarPlay wirelessly. Now, one of the advantages that I really like with this is a lot of times, you know, when you do smaller trips, you may not want to plug your phone in because you're getting on and off the bike. Maybe you're doing a, I don't know, poker run, something like that. The iPhone is still difficult to fit in the dash if you have an Ultra. If you have a Road Glide, you're going to have a little bit better success. But I thought this was really cool because the battery on the Max lasts so long that it gives you the ability to spend most of the day, if not all of the day out, not have to worry about plugging it into the bike. Now, I know that seems counterproductive because I was the one, you know, kind of complaining that you couldn't power it on the bike, and I was frustrated that I couldn't put my phone away with my old bike. However, the cool part with this is you're wireless. You can plug it into the trunk and get full power from your outlet adapter, so it charges faster, unlike it does on the in the side. When you plug it into the dash, it doesn't charge as fast. So I'm just going to go through here real quick, show you what is involved to install it. So now we're outside at the bike. Now you're just going to lift up your cubby. You're going to find the USB port. You're going to plug in the adapter. Turn the bike on. I had it on accessory mode not to drain the batteries. And what you're going to see come up is a red light on the back. That's going to indicate that it has power and that the system is ready to pair. So like I said, super straightforward. If you've ever connected a Bluetooth to your iPhone, your Android, it couldn't really get any simpler. So what I did is just shove this in the cubby, powered up the system. You can see the Boom GTS system coming online. Went ahead and hit accept, and now as it powers up in cycles, it's going to find that as a plugged-in source. It's going to ask you to connect to your phone. You're going to hit find phone, and all you're going to do then is go to the control panel on your phone, open up Bluetooth, and look for the connection. You're going to be looking for the HD, whatever, 2022 connection or whatever it pairs up as. So once you find that on your device, you're going to hit add, and that quick, you're set up to run wirelessly. Yeah, as you can see, it took a little bit here, but once it found that it was good to go, now it's connected to my iPhone. Now it shows you it's walking through the connection, and it's really that simple. Now the nice part I like about this, like I said, is if you're getting on and off the bike, if you're running errands, you don't have to worry. You can keep the phone in your pocket. It's really great when you're running any kind of event, bike night, where you just want to whip your phone out, take some pictures, put it back. You don't worry about it. But as you can see, it works flawlessly. Everything goes through nice and easy, works just as you would on your iPhone. You can see there's little to no lag at all. Has the Dunkin' Donuts app. You know, for all you guys that like to complain that I only ride for coffee, there it is. but really simple to use. Like I said, it's got the podcast app, so it's got all the functionality of your iPhone in the tools that allow you to, or the apps that allow it to work with CarPlay. Same with Android. But I really like the setup of this system, I thought, and it just gives you one more tool, if you will, to be able to use your bike and Apple CarPlay. I have to say, Apple CarPlay is an absolute game changer for me because you get the live maps, and I think that that's huge. The dated maps on the bike are kind of a pain. You don't get traffic updates and all that. But like I said, I mean, really cool device, not really a lot of money, a great gift for anyone that has one of the newer bikes and is looking for something like this. It's also a really cool idea too, because you could plug this into your truck or your car, and then when you ride the bike, all you have to do is switch it, because all it's looking for is the paired phone. It's not looking for what it's connected to as far as the setup. It is wirelessly updatable, so you can do updates on this to run different firmware and so forth. Just thought it was really cool. Like I said, just one of those reviews I just wanted to put out there. I bought it on Amazon. I thought it was really cool, and I wanted to share it with you guys. But yeah, CarPlay to Air, really cool adapter, and you know, brings wireless CarPlay to your motorcycle or any other vehicle for that matter. That's all I had, guys. So I hope you're well. I hope everybody's staying safe, and please remember you're not alone. Thanks for watching.